So this is some of the glories of Srimati Radharani's name. Sarva Lakshmi, she's the original source. She's the Adi Lakshmi or the Adi Shri, the original source of all the goddesses of fortune. They're all expanded from Radharani, from the gopis. Gopis expand as Kaya Vyuha directly from her body, and from them expand the queens of Dwarka, Dwarka Mahishis, and then the Vaikuntha queens of Vaikuntha, the Lakshmis. But originally they all come from Radharani, Sarva Lakshmi. Or Sarva Lakshmi means, Sarva means all, and Lakshmi means fortune. Opulence is Bhaga. He says that she fully represents the 6 opulences of Krishna. Why does Krishna have beauty? Because of the presence of Radharani. He brings out her beauty. So he is so beautiful. That's one of his Sadeshvarya. What is it? Sadeshvarya Shuta Shibir. Aishvaryasya Samagrasya. Viryasya Yashashatriya. Krishna has 6 opulences. But why does he have 6 opulences? Or 6 powerful attracting forces? Because of the presence of Radharani. Without Radharani, Krishna becomes ugly. He has no beauty. His beauty comes because he looks at her and becomes beautiful. She gives him his beauty. And then his wealth. What is his wealth? What is real wealth? Ramananda Roy, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked him, he said, who is a wealthy man? Who is a Dani? Who is a Danpati? Who is a Crorepati? Birla? Tata? Ramananda Roy said, one who has Radha Krishna Prema. He is the wealthy man. One who has pure love for Radha and Krishna. So Krishna is the wealthiest man. He's the wealthiest Purusha. That is one of his Aishvaryas, Sadaishvarya Purna. But where does he get his wealth from? And what is his wealth? His wealth is Prema, which he gets from Krishna Prema Mai. He gets from Radharani. Radharani gives him his Prema, gives him his wealth. And then beauty and fame. Why is he famous? Why is Krishna famous? Because he's connected with Radharani. Is Radha Govinda, Radha Madhav. So he gets his fame from his association with Radharani. She is giving him. So therefore she's Sarva Lakshmi. She's the source of all the opulences. She represents the 6 opulences. Sarva Kanti indicates that all beauty and luster rest in her body. Kanti. And all the Lakshmis derive their beauty from her. Kanti may also mean that she fulfills all the desires of Krishna, Sarva Kanti. All the desires of Krishna rest in Srimati Radharani. So therefore, because Radharani or Radhika fulfills all the desires of Krishna, she's known as Sarva Kanti. Krishna enchants the world, but Radharani enchants him. Therefore, she is the supreme goddess of all. Jagat Mohan Krishna, Sanhara Mohini, Ataiva Samastera Para Thakurani. Radharani is a Thakurani. Radharani Thakurani. Krishna is a Thakur, but he's a Thakurani. We see in this one pastime that Krishna becomes the Chokidar, he becomes the protector, carries a shield and a sword to protect Radharani, he becomes her servant of the queen. And then Radha Gokulananda, different temples in Vrindavan, they celebrate this pastime by dressing the deities like that. You can read something about the beauty of Radharani, her beautiful form. Prabhupada makes one quote. He says that, this is from one lecture, he said if one is attracted by the beauty of Srimati Radharani, then he's no longer attracted by the beauty of this material world. He says Radha and Krishna are so beautiful that if one can be attracted by their beauty, he says Radha and Krishna, and then he says, if one can be attracted by the beauty of Srimati Radharani, then he can give up all his attraction to the material energy. And then he cites the example from Mukundamala Stotra, Jamunacharya. When one is attracted by the transcendental beauty of Radha and Krishna, he is no longer attracted by feminine beauty or masculine beauty. That is the special significance of Radha and Krishna worship. That is testified to by Yamunacharya, who said, since I have become attracted by the beauty of Radha and Krishna, when there is attraction for woman or the memory of sex life with woman, I at once spit on the thought and turn my face in disgust. That's his quote. That's in Mukundamala Stotra. When we are attracted by Madan Mohan and the beauty of Krishna and his consorts, then the shackles of conditioned life, namely the beauty of a material woman or man, cannot attract us. So the beauty of Radharani is described in various shastras, but specifically in the Radha Krishna Ganidesh Deepika,